Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. Today I got another awesome freebie for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store. And yes, it's going to be free for the taking. So if you like this watch face, make sure you download ASAP. Now, I got to recognize this developer. This guy has really been getting down. He's been doing great work on watch faces. His name is MWF. The watch face is called MWF Combo. But I got to tell this guy, thank you for all the freebies you have been donating in the Gear Manager store, and he has been donating a lot. I will leave the link in the description, not only for this watch face, but also to his page if you want to check out some more of his awesome watch faces. With that, let's get this thing started. First off, man, again, the name of the watch face is called MWF Combo. My man really did his thing with this watch face. Now, it's an analog watch face. It is a super casual dress down watch face at that, and you will get the best of both worlds. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same design as you would when the watch face is on. You'll be able to see your time at a glance very clearly. Once the watch face is on, here's where it really starts to show itself. I like the look. I like the design. I really like the look of the index as well. Now, if you look at the background really pulls everything together. Not only that it's black, but you have a decent design, somewhat of a premium design as well. Now, if we look at the top, right, you're going to get your heart rate information. You're going to come down. You're going to also get your battery info. You're going to get your steps. You're going to get floors climbed, and you're going to get miles walked around. Now, if you look down at the bottom, you are going to get 24-hour digital time. For those of you all who are into 24 hours, there you go. Now, I do like the analog hands. To me, they kind of scream premium, but yet fun at the same time. And you get a nice ticking second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch as well. It makes this watch face stand out. But this is what really looks good to me as well. You're going to get your date in the middle. You're going to also get the days of the week surrounding it. Not bad at all. And you're going to get your date down at the bottom. Now, I do like the color theme of this one. This is the one I set for myself, but we can customize this as well, right? This definitely looks good, but let's take a look at it. Now, first off, I can tap on all these different icons, and of course, it's going to give me exactly what I'm looking for so far as information is concerned. So I can tap on all of them. I can even tap here, and that's going to bring up my calendar as well. Same thing down here, and I thought this was nice. I thought the developer definitely packed a punch in such a free watch face. And then if I double tap, I can change the color theme. So depending on what you're wearing or what color you like, you can customize this however you see fit. So I thought this was really nice. This blue looks nice in person. Now, this video isn't going to do it justice. I say download it. Check this out for yourself. See if you like it. And if you don't, trust me, you can undownload this one, right? But listen, you got to hit me in the comment section down below. You got to let me know your thoughts on this one, because I thought the developer definitely got down. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.